Welcome to another episode of WDL with the German. If you're wondering why I do it from inside again, the introduction got lost. The last one I made outside, it's cold now, so I make it inside. We are real amateurs, you know that. It's real amateur video. You get what you see what you get. That's how it's all about. If you want to watch professional video, do it like your grandma. Sit in a rocking chair, watch Big Brother and Amazing Race and stuff like this. In this episode, what did we do? There was a lot of stuff going on. I don't know. I tried to make. I tried to save money by registering my vehicles as animals. What makes it a ranch and saves money, that don't work out. The next thing we tried to do, we did another camera. We found a $3 camera, was on sale, as seen on TV. Like I say, you never should buy anything as seen on TV, but there we go. We did it, and no surprise, it is like a scene on TV. You will see that. We also had to clean up the backyard a little bit because our gardener was off for a while. So we did it ourselves, and we were too lazy in fall to do it. So we clean it up now a little bit. And we have a little bit everything in it. We have Ferrari red tractors. We have, what else? Damn, I forgot. We have the tractor. We have fire. And we have chairs. Because the camping season is around the corner, we got us some new camping chairs. The ones you have to put together. So we test them out first. And let's start with this one, and then you will see the fire, the tractor, and all the other stuff. So have fun, stay with us. See you later.
Hey, and this is...
What the hell? Gabby! The gold digger got one of my gloves. Come here. Not an advertisement. I just got them and want to see if they're worth it. According to the seat. Come here.
goes with the glove.
Gabby, bring me. Go, come on, girl, come on. Oh, no. My glove.
Is she gonna go upstairs?
Well, there goes my glove.
It's a nice little bag.
It's in a nice bag. Well, for the price. But this is a camping chair where you really gotta be careful with that. And yet there are instructions in here. Unless it's a sticker. Ultralight camp chair, model number. Hey, my glove. Come here. Give it to me. You don't care. Okay, there are instructions. Unreal. We saved the instructions, saved that. Yeah. I didn't look at the instructions again, but I looked at
Or maybe...
Can you please give me my glove bag? I have to unbox another box. Please. Glove.
Yeah.
Actually, that's yours. You said you want that.
Is it good?
It's comfy.
It sucks for somebody for bad knees with bad knees though, because that's pretty low.
Wow, it is. If you go to the beach or something, especially, I think that would be great for guys, you know, riders, motorcycle riders,
Yeah.
bicycles. I mean, it's lightweight and it really feels comfy.
Before we go, we have to check the air pressure on the car. That the right rear wheel had a little low air pressure, so we're good to go. Because it's a Ford, we just have to take care of the right rear wheel and we're good to go. If it would be GM, you would do the left front, but that's how it is. That's $3 dash cam, right? And usually I have my PDC cam, but we found that for $3. And what I figured out when I did the setup, it's worth exactly $3. Maybe $2.50. Maybe I overpaid by 50 cents, but. So what we got today? Today we gotta drop off our tax assessment. And basically, it's private property tax what gets assessed every year, and that's your vehicle. That's all kinds of stuff. And I looked through the form when I filled it out, and I have to change some stuff every year. You know, when I sell a car, buy another car. It's always, you know, one down, one more on. But so I looked over the form, and you also have to pay taxes here, private property taxes, not only on your vehicles. You have to pay private property taxes on like animals, not like your house dog or anything like this, but you have to pay property taxes on like horses, pigs, cows, all this stuff, you know, there's a tax on it if you own it. So I'm gonna go over there and we'll ask them, because I think it's cheaper to have a horse than a car, you know, or a pig than a car. And if that's cheaper, I'm gonna try that. I say I have a ranch, and I have a pony. That's the Mustang. So we cross the Mustang off and put a pony in there. And I have a Harley, what's a hog. So perfectly legal as a ranch, I would say. Let's take a look at some footage here at the $3 dash cam. I say $3. It's probably a lot more when it came out or something. It was a scene on TV. I don't know. I guarantee you they were 20 bucks or something. I bought it for $3, and it's not even worth that much. When you look at the footage, you can't make out anything. You can't read a license plate and nothing. So I usually have my PDC dash cam, and it was pretty good. There are some really good dash cams out there. Do some research. Don't buy that a scene on TV stuff and you see some cheap stuff. I saw $14 dash cams. It's really not worth buying it, because even during daytime you're not able to see anything. you can't make out anything. If an accident, if somebody hits you, and you can make out the license plate on the car. So go out, spend the money, and have a decent equipment. For that, I think we are doing our cleanup next week, the yard cleanup. So I'm sorry, there's no fire and there's no Ferrari red tractor today. Let's do it next week. Hope to see you next week. Have a good week.